Swing traders have a long-term mindset on each trade they place. It requires patience to hold on to your trades for several days at a time. Swing trading is best for traders who can't monitor their charts throughout the day because maybe they have a full-time day job and they aren't able to monitor their charts throughout the day, but they do have some time each night to analyze everything. So how does swing trading work? It attempts to identify swings in the market and enter only when there seems to be a high chance of winning. For example, in a downtrend, you would try to sell or go short at swing highs, and in an uptrend, you would try to buy or go long at swing lows. Since trades last a few days, the trades need more breathing room. That means that the trades need a stop loss further away so that as the market is more volatile on its way to your take profit, you don't get stopped out. As swing traders hold on to trades, a lot of the time they are in drawdown, which we know is when trades are negative or in a floating loss, especially at the beginning because there may be more fluctuation of the price on the shorter time frames. Since swing traders are aiming for big profits per trade, you don't need to worry as much about spread impacting the profit of each trade. So how do you know if you're a swing trader? Well, first of all, you have to be okay with holding onto your trades for several days. If your trades move against you, you need to be able to remain calm and follow your trading plan. To be a swing trader, you have to be willing to take fewer trades, but you have to be more careful to make sure that you set up your trades for success. You also have to be okay with having large stop losses. And last of all, you have to be patient. So you may not be a swing trader if you're more into fast-paced, action-packed trading, if you're not patient and you have to know whether you are right or wrong with your trade immediately, or if you get stressed when you see a trade going against you and you're in drawdown. This is almost guaranteed to happen as a swing trader, even on trades that end up being winners after a few days. So if you can't stand the drawdown, don't even try swing trading. Swing trading may also not work for you if you can't spend a little bit of time each night to analyze the markets. So if you have a full-time job but you enjoy trading as a side gig, then swing trading might be the best style for you. In the next section, we're going to talk about the last style of trading, which is position trading.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.